Blessed Geza has vowed to thwart any attempt by President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his government to subvert the country's constitution for their own advantage. In a strongly worded statement, Geza warned that the faction would employ all necessary mechanisms, including potentially violent means, to stop Mnangagwa's government. "We will make efforts to thwart any attempt by Emmerson and his corrupt cabal to subvert the constitution of Zimbabwe to their advantage," Geza said. "Yes, it might not be a walk in the park, but we will employ whatever mechanisms, even war itself, to stop him from doing that." The statement has sparked concerns about the potential unrest and instability in Zimbabwe, a country already grappling with economic and political challenges. Geza's comments suggest a deep-seated distrust of Mnangagwa's government and a willingness to take drastic action to protect the country's interest. Geza also emphasized the importance of shared access to Zimbabwe's natural resources, stating that no one has the title deeds for Zimbabwe. The faction leader urged supporters to trust their process and remain patient as plans are finalized to address perceived injustice. The situation remains tense, with many Zimbabweans watching closely to see how events unfold.